Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to explore an amazing AI tool called stepfun AI. This tool allows you to create videos from text prompts and also convert images into videos. The best part is, it's completely free and does not add any watermark to your creations. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at one of the videos generated using stepfun AI. Let's have a look at the video generated. As you just saw, the quality is really impressive. And in this video, we will learn step by step how to create this type of video using stepfun AI. Let's first generate a prompt that we can use to create a video. To do this, we will use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in your browser and type, "Give me the prompt to generate an image of windsurfing." ChatGPT will instantly generate a descriptive prompt for you. This prompt will act as the base input for creating a video in stepfun AI. Once you have the prompt ready, copy it and open a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type stepfun AI and hit enter. Now click on the official link to visit the website. On the homepage, you will notice the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. You will be presented with multiple login options. You can log in with Discord, log in with Google, or simply type your email and password to create an account. For this tutorial, I will click on the Login with Google button. Once logged in, you will be redirected back to the main dashboard of stepfun AI. Here, you will see different options. To create a video from text, click on the button labeled stepfun video. This will open up a simple interface with a text box. The text box says, "Enter prompt for video." Paste the prompt you copied earlier from ChatGPT into this text box. After pasting it, click on the Submit button. Now, wait for some time while stepfun AI processes your request. Depending on the complexity of the prompt and the server load, this may take a few seconds to a minute. Once the video is generated, it will automatically appear on your screen. You can click the play button to preview the video. If you are satisfied with the results, click on the download button to save the video onto your computer. And just like that, you have successfully created a text-to-video using stepfun AI. Now, let's check out the video created by stepfun AI. Pretty amazing, right? But that's not all. Stepfun AI also allows you to generate videos from images. Let's explore how to do that. To generate an image, let's use another AI tool called Google Gemini. Open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Gemini AI. Click on the official link to visit the website. If you are not already signed in, you will need to log in with your Google account. Click on Sign in with Google and complete the sign-in process. Once you are logged in, you will see a text box on the Gemini homepage that says, "Ask Gemini." Paste the same prompt we generated earlier with ChatGPT into this box and hit Submit. Gemini will now process the prompt and generate an image for you. After the image is generated, click on the download button to save it onto your computer. Now that we have the image, let's go back to stepfun AI. On the dashboard, click on the plus button to upload an image. Browse your computer and select the image you just downloaded from Gemini. After uploading the image, paste the same prompt again into the text box, and then click Submit. Once again, you will need to wait for some time while stepfun AI processes your request and generates a video. When the video is ready, preview it and check how it looks. If you are happy with the result, download the video to your computer. Now, let's take a look at the video generated by stepfun AI from the uploaded image. The result is really impressive and shows how powerful stepfun AI can be. You can now use this method to create countless videos either from text prompts or by uploading images. This tool is very useful for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to create engaging video content quickly and without any watermarks. It saves a lot of time and effort, and the quality is surprisingly good for a free tool. The workflow is simple. Generate a descriptive prompt with ChatGPT. Use that prompt to either create a video directly in stepfun AI or first generate an image with Gemini, and then use that image in stepfun AI to create an even more customized video. This gives you flexibility and creative control. If you want realistic video clips, use descriptive prompts. If you want animated or stylized content, tweak the prompts to match your imagination. Another advantage is that stepfun AI works entirely in the browser. There is no need to install heavy software or learn complicated tools. Everything is streamlined and easy to use, even if you are a complete beginner. Imagine creating short social media videos, YouTube intros, educational clips, or even just fun animations in a matter of minutes. That's the power of stepfun AI. So now you know how to generate videos from text and images using this free AI tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of stepfun AI. Go ahead, try it yourself, and unleash your creativity with text-to-video and image-to-video AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.